Today we're going to see an amazing way to cut a cashew fruit. It looks like a simple task, but if you don't know how to do it properly, you might even cut your hand. First, apply some oil to both hands. Wear gloves as it is very bitter. First, let's cut the raw cashew nut carefully. Be gentle, it's tough on the outside. Next, peel off the thick outer bark. It's a little tricky, but we got this. Now, pour some hot water over the cashew to soften the inner skin. Wait a few minutes, and you'll see the magic happen. Finally, remove the inner bark gently, and you're left with a clean cashew, ready to use. If you found this useful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.